Step 1. Copy this text. Step 2. Paste it here. Step 3. Click send. Step 4. Wait for a couple of minutes and then just. Clicking in this video was one of the best decisions you've made. Now you're about to learn how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income right from your home without having to invest any money at all. Anyone even without previous experience can do this and make money online. It works in the Philippines, it works in India, United States, Canada, Australia, and all other countries. So grab your phone or laptop and get ready, because the life-changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start with step number 1. First, go to this website called themangles.com. I'll just link this website in the description box below. You probably don't even know what this website is all about. Well, mangles.com is a tool that will improve your SEO, or known as search engine optimization. That means how your website ranks in Google, how likely are people to visit your website, how easy it is for them to discover it, and stuff of that nature. But don't worry, you don't need a website, you don't need to have any website, and you don't need any SEO knowledge. You just need to simply follow the steps from this tutorial, and it's going to be so easy since you literally don't need anything, that even a newborn baby could watch this tutorial and be able to set this up for himself. Anyway, yes, Mangles is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google, but you don't need a website, and you don't have to invest any money to earn from this. So your first step is to just come over to mangles.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. Just pause the video, go, and complete this step, and I will be waiting for you. That way, by the end of this video, you will have everything set up and ready to make your money. Let's go to the next step. Welcome back for our step number 2. So now that you know what Mangles is, you need to sign up for absolutely free. So click here, come to the top of the page, and click here, and that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. And in order to create an account, you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and just go to create my Mangles account. Once you do, you will be successfully logged into your Mangles account that should look something like this. This is the dashboard. So that's it for now. Just go to mangles.com and sign up for free, create an account, and I will be waiting for you. And we will jump straight into the step number 3. I hope you've completed the previous 2 steps, and you're already making some progress. If you haven't completed them yet, go back and complete the first 2 steps before you get into the 3rd step, which is going to be going over to google.com. So here we will start using Google. The 3rd step is to open Google, and for now, just leave it open like that. We will start using it in a minute. We just need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangles, and here on the top right corner, you will be able to see this affiliate section. You can join their affiliate program that pays 30 recurring monthly commissions. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is the $39.90 per month plan, which means you're making around $11.97 per month per person you refer. That is just from one single person, so that's your monthly income without you having to lift a finger. If you refer 100 people, that's already $1,197 per month in your passive income. No work required. Once you have all of those referrals, you can turn off your phone or your computer and just enjoy your earnings and do anything you like. And of course, there are some cheaper, but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. But if you stick around until the end of the video, I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. And it's pretty much going to be a fun process. You're going to see that. I promise you. We are now going to affiliate and go to promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link. They will make us money when people click on it. They will be sent to this page where they can sign up to Mangles, and depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So that was the step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and copy it. Complete these steps, and let's go to the next one. Step number 5. Now that you have your affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think for a second, who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously, every single website in the world. And there are currently hundreds of billions of them. But more importantly, who has enough money to invest into Mangles through your affiliate link so they can benefit from the tool, and so you can make passive income every single month? Keep watching, because you're about to be blown away. This can make thousands of dollars, and you just need to do it once. Anyways, once again, who will benefit from this tool, but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously every business has a website, and do you know that there are over 1 billion websites out there, and you need just 100 of them to use your referral link, and you will make thousands of dollars every single month, in fact, over $20,000 per year without lifting a finger. That's just insane, but of course you need to put in some work first. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme and the results were right. But for now, the step number 5, you just go to Google, search some business, maybe restaurant, dentist, pet shop, barbershop, bakery, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small place, a small city or town, for example, I can search for Charleston, Carolina. You can play around and test out which makes you the most money, and which gets you the best results. So that's why I said it's going to be really fun process. That's like a game. You think of some small place, think of some business, try different variations, search and easily find your referrals in some of the next steps. So for now, as an example, I will search Charleston, Carolina dentist, so you can do anything else. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. I would just do this one and I'll use the business dentist. Step number 6, once you've searched for that term in Google, skip the ads, skip the first 3 websites that show up at the top of the search results in Google, because obviously those guys know how to do SEO properly, and they don't need this tool, but all the other thousands and thousands of businesses below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest into their business because they can see a massive return on that investment. So you will open some of these websites and 99 of them, you will be able to see their contact information either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that will even be bad, because everyone else will use the same script, and it will just come up as spam. But rather than that, I will help you craft your own, and that's a lot better and the conversion is going to be a lot higher. So we want a simple message that can make them click on your affiliate link that takes into Mangles, where they can sign up, and you will make money. So you can start your own message or email with like, "Dear Sir, Madam, I saw you having a nice business, or I saw you had a nice restaurant, or a nice office, or a nice coffee shop, or a nice jewelry shop," or whatever it is, but your website is not ranking, so you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, "I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days," or something like that, and they should be in trade. Now, you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in that first message, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your affiliate link after you build some trust with that. And remember, you need to do this only once to get some sign-ups once, and you will keep making monthly passive income for the next couple of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice it some time and effort now and enjoy afterwards, it will pay up. So to recap, just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google, find some businesses play around and just paste the script with your affiliate link. And that's it, you will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you can help someone, but as well you made a lot of money on the back end, a lot of passive income. That's it for this video. Follow the steps, take action and enjoy your money. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Stay safe and stay amazing. I will see you in some of the next videos.